Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and today I have a sweet treat prepared for you. A snack so good my mom used to set a timer to see how fast we could go through a pan of them. 20 minutes is our record. So get ready for some Scotcheroos. Let's dive in. Get a large pot on the stove and turn it to medium-high heat. Add in sugar and corn syrup. Mix that on the heat until everything is completely dissolved and begins to boil. Once it's boiling, take the pot off the heat and add in peanut butter. Keep on mixing until you have a deliciously sweet mix. Now add a good amount of Special K cereal and you guessed it, keep on mixing. Mix till you drop, baby. Woo! Once all that peanut buttery goodness is evenly distributed and there's no large globs left, bust out a baking pan. Give it a good spray down with some nonstick spray and add in the contents of the pot. Lay everything flat and pack it down a little bit. Now for the part that actually makes the Scotcheroo a Scotcheroo, that amazing topping. Pile on your favorite vegan chocolate chips and vegan butterscotch chips. This is already making my mouth water, but we still have to put it into a 250-degree oven so those chips can melt up a bit. We don't want the heat too high so it burns, but just hot enough to melt it. Let that bake for around 10 to 15 minutes and on to the incredibly satisfying part, mixing the melted chips. Whew, beautiful. Make sure to get them all mixed together and then place them on the counter to cool down. This topping is going to be super melty, so I recommend leaving it overnight and serving the next day. Just make sure to add a layer of saran wrap after you've given it some time to cool down so you don't get any curious cat prints going across them. It's now the next day, so start the timer because we're about to plate this dish. This is the family recipe right here. The Scotcheroos, the peanut butter, chocolate, and butterscotch all come together to give you a fantastic treat. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know how fast it takes you to get through the pan in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Oh my god.
Get out of there!
Oh.
That's one way to do this, I guess.